Yonis? My name is Jin from Yoni Flower and welcome to the Yoni tribe. Sorry guys, I can be such a goofball sometimes, so you guys should know that. Anyways, back to my topic. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make those cute button earrings just with African fabric or whichever fabric you like, and these bad boys. So these are buttons. I got them from my local beauty supplier. They were just something like 99 cents and there are 500 in them, and I think I'm going to use them for some of my DIY projects. So if you like this video guys, keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe down below, the red button, so you won't miss any of my videos, because I will be posting every Thursday on a weekly basis. So guys, I hope you like this video, and yeah, that's it for today. So guys, here I'm showing you the materials you will need. As you can see, you will need fabric print, 4 buttons, 2 large ones and 2 smaller ones. You have to make sure that the flat side of the smaller buttons are faced to the wrong side of your fabric. You will need embroidery thread and needle, scissors. I like the nail clippers because I can feel and reach the little corners better when I'm snipping these off. So you're going to need earring hooks and maybe 2 smaller loops because we're going to thread it on. So here you can see I'm trying to thread the needle and knot it up so we can get started. I like to have my needle in my, how do you call this? I don't know how you call this. I'm sorry guys, I forgot the name. But anyway, here you can see I'm starting to draw. So I'm starting to draw 4 circles for my buttons. They don't have to be perfect, you can eyeball it. The purpose is that you will thread your needle in your fabric with 1 straight stitch around the circle. Snip, snip, snip. There you go. So the rest I fast forward because otherwise the video would be very long, and I think you guys get the point with the circles. So yeah. So here I'm actually trying the buttons out. When you're finished, you have to make sure you start winding around your fabric so it will be secure. Then you go under the fabric with your needle to knot it up. And when you're done, you can snip the remaining pieces of the fabric. Make sure it's nice and neat. together so it will be nice. Guys, I have to tell you, that was a little bit of a struggle, so make sure, don't make the same mistake as I did. My thread was too short. I did that all wrong, so make sure if you're going to need your thread, you need a really large thread. So go for it all the way. Here you can see me go under, knot it up so it can be very secure. Snip, snip, snip. Here I'm showing you how neat it is. This is what you're going to get when it's neat. Yes, this is what we like. So here I'm showing you what we're going to do. So we're going to make sure the two buttons, the smaller one and the bigger one, are together. So you have to thread that too. Here I'm showing you the loop. This is what you need. Snip, snip, snip. As you can see, we're almost done, but it was a struggle, guys. I'm not going to lie to you, it was a struggle. So guys, these are the earrings I made and they look really nice. I like the color, I like the stripes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're going to make these earrings too. If you do, let me know and see you next time. Bye.